Hostinger is one of the fastest growing hosting companies in the world, and with constant updates, the platform just keeps getting better and better. Their website builder is no exception. But here's the thing. With all these new additions, any old Hostinger tutorial just doesn't make sense anymore. So let me give you the latest and greatest Hostinger website builder tutorial and show you how to build a clean, professional website from scratch using AI tools. Naturally, to follow this Hostinger website builder tutorial along, you'll need a subscription. So use the link in the description or scan the QR code on screen to get started with Hostinger. My discount will be applied automatically to all Hostinger plans, so you'll get the best price right away. Hostinger is a fully no-code website builder, so you won't need any other tools or help. When choosing a subscription, I recommend going with the business plan and selecting the longest billing period. It gives you the biggest discount and unlocks all the AI and advanced tools. This way, you save the most money and get access to basically every feature Hostinger offers, and the price difference is honestly ridiculously small. Make sure the coupon code is active. If it's not, just type in Cybernews. After that, all you have to do is pay and create an account. I recommend logging in with Gmail and enabling two-factor authentication. To do that, go to your account, then security, and scan the QR code with your chosen authentication app. Okay, so we have hosting, right? Now we can start to actually build a website with Hostinger. Click Add Website and choose the AI Website Builder. As you can see, Hostinger also has quite a solid selection of other tools, including the WordPress AI Builder and the Horizons App Generator. But for this tutorial, let's stick with the builder. You only need to add a short description of your website or pick from the suggestion list. The better your description, the better the result the AI will generate for you. Just don't go overboard pasting long, confusing paragraphs, since AI usually focuses on the first few sentences. Try to make those as detailed as possible. And here's a challenge for you. While your website is being built, try to find and hit the like and subscribe buttons. I dare you. I double dog dare you. Once the site is generated and you like the website design, you can start editing it using the drag and drop editor. You can click on any element and move it around freely. If you want to customize the grid you see, you can do it right here. You should start with the hero section, since that's the first thing visitors see. And make sure it looks clean and attention-grabbing. Since the AI did most of the work for us, you'll want to replace the images with your own and make sure the text fits your needs. Hostinger AI Builder offers a wide variety of elements like buttons, text, images, videos, forms, and icons to add the finishing touches. For example, if you click on a button, you can change the text, link it to another page, and adjust its style and size. If you select any text element, you'll get a regular word style editing menu that you've all used at some point, so I won't go into detail here. If elements feel too small, you can also add brand new sections with just one click. There are plenty of layout templates to choose from, and each section can be rearranged, duplicated, or deleted. You can also change the background to a color, image, or even a video. One important thing to note though, if you're planning to host a lot of video content, Hostinger Website Builder currently only allows you to embed videos from other sources. Moving on, adding new pages is just as simple. There aren't many pre-made templates, but you can use the AI page generator to create new pages automatically. In fact, most of the tasks I've mentioned have an AI alternative. Why upload images when you can generate new ones? You can tweak the text yourself or just ask the AI to handle it. That's one of the best things about Hostinger. It gives you both convenience and creative freedom. So definitely play around with the toolset. If we talk a bit more about AI, you can find even more tools in H-Panel by going to All Services and then AI Tools. Just keep in mind, these use credits. The Styles tab is the core of your website's design. This is where you control fonts, colors, buttons, and animations. Then every change is applied instantly across the entire site, keeping everything visually consistent. What I personally love, especially since I'm not a color theory guy, is that Hostinger shows how many times each color is used and exactly where. It actually helps keep things cleaner when I want to stretch my creative muscles. Nowadays, it's not enough to just build a website. You also need to optimize it. For SEO, open the SEO settings and use the AI assistant. It's a lifesaver for beginners. Honestly, it's a lifesaver for me too, since SEO is constantly changing and it's hard to keep up. With AI, you at least get solid optimizations without wasting a ton of time. So, go ahead and generate new SEO info, describe your website, choose your keywords from the suggestions, review how everything looks, and finish the setup. It's literally that easy. Just make sure every recommendation has a green check mark. Everybody loves green check marks. In the general settings, add a favicon, which is the small icon you see in your browser tab. If you generated your logo using Hostinger's AI tools, you should have received both the logo and the favicon. If not, you can just Google a free generator and get it done in minutes. One really important thing here is enabling LLMs.text, which allows AI models to find your website. Since search engines are shifting more toward AI, this helps future-proof your SEO so your site doesn't get lost in the noise. There are also integrations with some of the most popular tools and social media platforms. It's not as extensive as Wix, but all the essentials are here. You can even set up a print-on-demand business or generate shipping labels. I won't dive deep into the e-commerce site in this video since that would take a lot more time. But if you'd like to see a dedicated Hostinger AI online store tutorial, let me know in the comments. When you're ready to publish, hover over Connect Domain. You'll get a temporary domain for free, but without a real domain, your website is basically invisible. Click Change Domain. What I like about the Hostinger website builder is that it includes a free domain for the first year, and you can grab it by typing in a name here. I can't choose a perfect domain for you, but here are a few useful tips from my experience. First, keep the domain name as short and memorable as possible. For example, Facebook is way easier to remember than something like a social gathering website. Second, pay attention to the domain extension. Extensions are everything after the name, and each one has its own rules. For example, country extensions usually can only be purchased by citizens. Some are reserved for the military or organizations, and a few are linked to scams. That said, there are plenty of solid extensions available, and most users just search for names on Google instead of typing the full URL anyway. If you find a good deal on .info or .net, go for it without hesitation. Finally, check the renewal price, since that's what you'll be paying after the discounted period ends. And always register your domain using your real information. And that's it. Your site is live. Of course, there's a lot more you can do, but let's save that for a longer Hostinger for Beginners video. And hey, if you liked how Hostinger works, don't forget to share the discounts in the description with your friends. I mean, who wouldn't want a huge discount for a platform like Hostinger? So, go brighten their day. Well, I think that's all on how to make a website with Hostinger. Overall, Hostinger is one of the best website building platforms out there. It has an excellent price to value ratio and powerful AI tools. It's honestly one of the fastest ways to launch a professional website, and at this point, you've already seen all of that in action. I hope this video helped you, and I hope to see you again in the future. Thanks for watching, and good night.